Hi, I'm Susan. I won another drawing. I am very blessed. And this was from Cheryl at Ink Pulp. And she does a year end on how many times you comment, you win chances on having your name pulled, and mine was pulled. So this is the happy mail that she sent. It was all wrapped up. I just kind of glanced at it. I haven't gone exactly through it. She showed it on her channel. But it's the first time I'm really seeing it in person. So one thing I loved was this kitty cat. She had told me that she had sent that. She had a card with one that she made. And in this one, she's got some paper that's been zigzagged, some wooden buttons, this cat, which I think is adorable. I'm going to put him aside because I'm going to use him. Some vellum stickers, a label, different types of labels, lots of bits and bobs, which I love. Got a coffee cup, always and forever, little tiny Tim Holtz people, stamps. I love stamps. Some tiny cards, ticket. I love that image. Some numbers, a playing card. Oh, that's pretty. Another playing card, which is also beautiful. Oh, 3 playing cards. I love it. All right. That's that pack. This pack has some fabric and a paper clip. Got that. How cute. Got this paper clip. I love these. I've got to try something like that. This applique, isn't it beautiful? Some bits of fabric, some more fabric, and this strip. I love it. And now we've got, it's like some lace and doily. I'm really blessed. I'm so excited. And I highly encourage you to check out Cheryl's channel. She does art before breakfast almost every morning. And she is so much fun to watch. And it's a wonderful group of ladies and gentlemen who come on each morning and participate and chat. And I've made some nice friends. So I highly encourage you to stop by and check her out. Isn't that beautiful? You can never have too much lace, and I don't really have very much, so I'm very thankful. It's beautiful. Crocheted lace, doily, string. I love it. And then the last one. And it's just something fun about getting other people's scraps and stuff. This was stuff she pulled off of her desk. Isn't that beautiful napkin? I don't have very many napkins. I've got a few. Bits of book page, cards, just scraps. It's very cool. A little piece of ribbon. I love these images. So cool. envelope that's been coffee dyed, and some pages from the Anna Green Gables book. I love Anna Green Gables. I've read those books so many times, the whole series. I love them. And a receipt and another little number. So been wanting to make a dangle. So I think that's what I'm going to make. And I want to use this little kitty cat to go on it. I'm going to use it to go on my correspondence journal. I just want something to hang down the spine. So let's see what we can do. This was such a cool gift. You never know what you're going to get from month to month. It's not the same thing, but I'm so glad that I got this because I love scraps. I love Happy Meal. It's fun. All right, now let's see. I have got part of an old necklace, and I've got a few more buttons. This I'm going to attach into my spine. Another piece of old jewelry. I've got some embroidery floss, and I've got all kinds of beads and things. So we'll just see what we get. Now I want to find a way to put him so he doesn't flop. So I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. So first of all, I think I'm going to make a tassel. And let's see, how long would I want it to be? Better to have it too long and cut it off than not have it long enough. So we need to double that. I hope y'all are doing great today. I hope your weekend was great. I make my dangle really, really thick. And if I had it to do all over again, I probably wouldn't have as many layers. Although I like all of the dangles and beads that I end up with, I have two issues. One is the embroidery floss, although beautiful, I love the color, is it tangles up too easily. So if I did it again, I'll probably use something a little thicker, maybe the wax thread or twine, or just something that's thicker than the embroidery floss. Maybe even doubling up the embroidery floss. I don't know how I would get the beads through it though. But I get it to the lengths. I cut me a bunch of different lengths, and then I just tie a knot in the middle, and then I plan on adding it to that, and then I just add my beads. And the second issue was I had so many beads and things that you really don't get to see them all because they're all together. And I may end up redoing this. I haven't made up my mind. Now that bit of necklace, I end up taking it off because with so many beads, I really didn't need it. Now when I threaded my kitty cat that I wanted to use on there, it was top heavy. So what I ended up doing is I got a split ring. I needed the regular rings, and I thought that's what I had bought. But I had bought split rings. But I worked on it, and I kind of went around the kitty cat's neck. And that was a chore, I can guarantee you. And so after that, I just added my beads, because you add your beads on any way you want to. And I used some of my paper beads that I made, and I used some of old necklaces that I had, and also some of my mom's old jewelry, and just whatever I could find. I had a few charms, just different things that I added on to that, and all it was just threading it on. So I'm gonna fast forward and we'll get to the end. It took a lot of finagling, a lot of patience, but I finally got the little collar on, and it's around the string so that it will hold the kitty cat straight. So I'm happy about that. So now I'm just going to add some beads. well, here's my dangle. I love how it turned out. The only thing is I don't think I'll ever use embroidery floss again because it just twists upon itself so easily. I like the color, but I still think it turned out cute. And I used the kitty cat that Cheryl gave me from Inked Pulp, and I used some of my homemade paper beads mixed with other beads. I used some old jewelry I had, some other buttons. I had some more kitty cat buttons, so I put those on there. I think it turned out so cute, and I hope you liked it. See if you can get a good look at it. But it just brings a lot to the journal. But like I said, it just twists upon itself something fierce. It needs something, I guess, that doesn't move around, something a little stiffer. So I may end up having to change it, but right now I'm just going to enjoy it the way it is. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. And until next time, bye y'all.